In today's video, we are going to start by doing a concept of an apartment plan in ArchiCAD from scratch. So if you're a beginner, this is exactly what you need. We are going to start by setting out units, drawing walls, placing doors, and finally windows. And without waste of time, let's dive in. Now get to options, down to project preference, working units. We are going to set our working units to meters, precision to 2 decimal places. You're going to click OK, move on to set dimension unit. So you navigate to options, project preference, dimensions. The units, we are going to ensure it's in meters, and the decimal, we are going to put 2 decimal places. Once done, we are going to click OK. We are going to move into drawing our walls. Navigate to design, double click on walls. We are going to use a simple basic wall, and the dimension is 0.15, which is 15 centimeters, 150 mm. Once done, we are going to click OK. Draw a wall. You're going to click on an empty space in your project, then navigate down to, then choose the direction of the wall. For example, we are going to type in 8.65 meters. Right click, OK. Copy this wall in by 3.15 meters. So drag a copy 3.15 meters. We are still going to drag a copy. Right click, go to move, drag a copy, drag in 1.5 meters, and still on the wall, we are going to right click, move, drag a copy. We are going to drag in 3.5 meters. Enter. Draw a wall from the top, change from outside face to inside face, and we'll draw across. Make a copy of the first wall. Right click, move, drag a copy 1.5 meters. Repeat the same procedure, and we are going to drag in 3.15 meters. Select the wall, right click, move, drag a copy. We are going to drag in 1.2 meters. Right click, move, drag a copy 2.95 meters. Extend this wall. So by selecting and dragging it below, we are going to do a little bit of trimming to see the parallel space. So click on Control on your keyboard. I'm going to trim out this first part. I'm going to trim out this, and this is my parlor. Here is my kitchen. I'm going to trim out this space and this space and this space. So here is my parlor, there is my toilet with 2 rooms, and here is a kitchen space. Next, we are going to place door on this project, and to do that, navigate to design, click on doors, and preferably I'll use door 27 for this project, so I just have to choose a kind of style, and I like you to use style 3. I'm going to navigate to preview and positioning, and make sure my C height of my floor is 0. Okay, then I'm just going to place my door same this way. Reduce the size of the door to 0.8 and use it for my toilet doors. So for my toilet, I'm going to place it a little bit, and equally the door for my kitchen, I'm going to place it this way. Place the entrance door to the house. I'm going to double click back on doors, and I'm going to use double door 27. Choose the kind of doors that I want. I'm going to use the style 15. Move to preview and positioning. I want the section of the door to be 1.20 meters. So I'm going to place. The next aspect we'll cover is the windows. So navigate to design, click on windows, and I'll preferably use the double window 27, and the width to be 1.20 meters. The seal height, I want it to be 0.50 meters. Height of the window to be 1.60 meters. Click on OK. For the living room, I'm going to add the dimension of the window to be like 2.5 meters, and I'm going to place it here.